So
let us wait for Priyanka. Yes, Priyanka is also back.
yeah,
So
kindly
I was,
complete. Yeah, please.
yeah,
And
so I
kindly.
was, yes. So I was honestly just sharing my views or my opinion that all of you are very much, what I would say, compatible. You already have the groundwork done, you know, because of the overall experience, work experience, your life experience. The only thing I feel that whenever we learn something new, some different topic, or something that is out of our comfort zone, we kind of have that dual mentality that will I be able to do it? Is it something new? It is something vast, and that is absolutely fine. Rather, that kind of what I would say feeling encourages you to take more steps about learning, about understanding, and that kind of feeling is very important for you to learn something. If we don't have this thoughts, we will be very careless. We will be just very casual. But only because it's something different, like you said, last 6 to 7 weeks, you could see the transformation in your own confidence level, your own comfort level. I honestly feel if Dipti and Priyanka are also on the similar grounds, trust me, we have achieved whatever a little we wanted to, at least from the beginning, point of view. That at least now you guys have enough confidence to start on your own. If somebody, some IT person takes your interview, if you join somewhere, if you're in a discussion and people are talking about agile, scrum, BA roles, you know what they're talking about. You know where they're coming from. So all these things are very important, and trust me, it's a very gradual process. Neither do we learn in first day. The more you read, the more you watch videos, the more you ask questions to us, the more you get connected. Even after this, we'll keep guiding you how to prepare your CV, what all you should be adding. Please join the RRRP sessions, resume ready preparation sessions, reference ready resume preparation. So that all will keep you in the zinc. So you know where we are heading. Then there are mock-up interview sessions held by Guru schools. So all that is very essential for you to get started. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you have an interview, you have a discussion, and you are not prepared from that point of view. Now you're prepared for presentations, discussions, understandings. We thoroughly understand, and we are very glad. But just keep on going in this path. Keep pushing yourself. I know there can be tough days where you just do not want to go ahead. You want to take a break. You want to take a rest. That's absolutely fine. But as Gauraji says, keep the momentum going. That is the key. If you keep pushing yourself, if you keep learning, ask, and you know what, we are there. Not only me and Gauraji, even other Guru schools trainers are there. We have a HR members, and we have Devji also. Everybody is approachable. Please feel free to reach out with whatever doubts you have. Maybe you have a doubt in particular flow diagrams. Maybe you have a doubt in particular concepts that you learned or you read on Google. Please reach out. Sometimes it's something new learning for us also, because we all have different industry experiences, and we would love to share if we got some new insights, or if you have something to share. So towards this ends, I'm really feeling little emotional also, because this has been such a great bond. 3 days of week we used to come and catch up and talk about things, share your opinions, views, learnings, and you guys have been tremendously, extremely cooperative. The kind of BRDs, the kind of flow diagrams you prepared. Trust me, it was so encouraging for us. Me and Gaurav used to feel so good. We used to have our own discussions where like, oh, that was such a nice diagram. Or many of you actually drew the diagrams by your own hands. And, these all small things, they might look small in efforts, but they really have a very long-term effect, on your overall confidence and overall achievement status, if I have to say. So my personal gratitude and thank you to all of you. I wish Anam and Priya was there. Even they have put in so much efforts. But Dipti, Bobiji, Priyanka ji, everybody, thank you so much. And let us keep going on this path. Let us keep going forward. So yes, Gauravji, this was from my side.
Hey,
Sorry, it was a lot emotional,
no,
but
no, no,
I
that's
really felt
okay.
to share like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. And hey guys, so welcome, and welcome to another day of this wonderful day. And this is not another day. This is the last track, last day of the business analysis track. And before we begin with the code of honor, right, and ask you to ask the question Q&A and go to the workshop, let me start on the cool note. Okay, cool. And I want you to laugh, and I want you to give me the learning behind it. Okay, which will be really helpful in the corporate world. Okay, so it goes like this. Mm, One neighbor visits another. Okay, and he is served some cookies on the first day. Okay, and when he is served with the cookies, the plate has some look like some उसे जूठन बोलते हैं ना. So it looked like that the plate had some juten or something like that. Then this guest asked, hey, what is this? So then host answers, I'll go in Hindi. I think that will be great for you. So this will be really cool in Hindi. So the host says, water se jitna hua utna hi kiya. Okay. Then that's cool. Another day, what happens? This guest visits second time, and he's again served some tea, and even the cup had some jutan, right? तो देन ही आस्क कि अरे इसमें क्या लगा हुआ है, इसमें लगता है कुछ ठीक से धुला नहीं है क्या ये कप. देन ही सेज दैट वाटर से जितना हुआ उतना ही कर पाए हम. ओके, एंड देन ही सेज दैट लगता है इनके यहाँ पे वाटर कम आता है या वाटर का फ्लो ज्यादा नहीं रहता, इसलिए बोल रहे वाटर से जितना हुआ उतना ही हम कर पाए. So he never he kept on thinking that somewhere there they have problem with the water. इनका पानी से कुछ तो problem है. So then again another fine day he visits once again, and that time again he was looking for कि देखते हैं आज नाश्ते में क्या देते हैं ये, and किस तरह का उनका प्लेट है. Then he served beautiful and wonderful and delicious and sumptuous his favorite dish, and he could not control himself, and immediately he just goes and completes it. And फिर वो क्या देखता है कि उस प्लेट में जिसमें वो खाना खा रहा था अगेन उसमें भी जूठन लगी हुई है. देन ही सेज दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, मैं बार बार जब भी आ रहा हूँ आप मुझे कुछ ना कुछ सर्व कर रहे हैं, वो मैं खा रहा हूँ, और एंड में आप बोल रहे हैं दिख रहा है कि जूठन लगी हुई. तो अरे हाँ, इस प्लेट में भी मतलब वाटर से जितना हुआ उतना ही साफ हो सका, वरना तो हमारे यहाँ पे सब कुछ ठीक है. So he was totally confused, and he doesn't ask anything, and he goes back home. Okay, and this time this was going to be fourth time, and fourth time he decides finally I'm not going to eat anything कि अगर उसने कुछ सर्व किया और प्लेट में जूठा लगा रहा तो. This day as well he is served with something, and he doesn't ask anything, and he just lifts the plate first and sees कि again उसमें दाल लगी हुई है. And then he says that इतना भी आपके घर पे पानी नहीं आता है कि आप ढंग से बर्तनों को साफ नहीं कर पाते हैं. देन ही सेज दैट पानी तो आता है सर, लेकिन वाटर से जितना हुआ उतना ही हम साफ कर पाए इस प्लेट को भी. Then he first time realizes that he is missing out on something. Well, what do you mean by water? So then he calls someone inside, hey water, please come out. And he says that small puppy was coming out from the room and the name of the puppy was water. So the moral of the story is what? Can someone give me the answer on this joke? What was the moral of the story? Yeah, who wants to add here?
I think this is a classic case of miscommunication and interpretation, I can say.
Yes. And how to deal with this? I know
Yeah.
this is smile and laughter it has brought on everyone's faces, but the core learning inside this is never ever assume, and then and there ask the question and get clarified and move ahead. Otherwise the same thing will happen, that even though we have heard some names, it may sound look alike, and we will end up assuming. Okay, water means, generally I understand that it means, but it has nothing to do with, water से जितना हो सका उतना ही किया. What do you mean by that? Water से सब कुछ साफ होता है. You give me clarity, what do you mean by water?
कुत्ता जितना चाट पाया उतना ही चाट पाया बेचारा. एक काम करने की भी हद होती है. कितना करेगा, कितना मेहनत करेगा बेचारा है.
That's true. So
Good
I know
one, good one.
this is joke, but this is how it happens in even in corporate world. People keep on assuming, and we don't have to, even not even a single inch. Yeah, Prerna, you were saying something. The
I
first,
said it was a good one, and this absolutely stands true in corporate also. So I hope everybody will remember this joke. So just remember, whenever anybody says something to you and you have the slightest amount of confusion, please go back and ask them right then and there. If they're busy, you can always get back to them. But please have this habit, because if you build on your assumptions, things might not turn out the way they were expected. So Gaurav, just thank you so much for sharing this. So now everybody will remember water, and they'll remember this example. But then the purpose of sharing this joke or this example was to have this in mind, that even in our personal life as well as professional, we shouldn't assume anything. We should go by the fact. And if you have the slightest amount of doubt, please reach out to the people and get it cleared at the beginning itself. Because if you don't, it will get piled up, and maybe chahiye tha kuch aur and present kuch aur ho jayega, which is not worth it, because you'll put in so much efforts and time in it. Yes, please go ahead.
नहीं, और अभी अभी तो 6 हफ्ते की क्लास हुई है. अभी अगले 6 महीने की क्लास बची है. Rejection in interviews and learning from your own rejected interviews where you have been rejected, and what was the reason.
You know what I'll just say. First of all, your approach is really fine. It's encouraging, but being a hardcore optimistic, I would just say, why rejection? Why are we even thinking about it?
No. In fact, when I'm already taking rejection as a kind of education.
That's absolutely
retrospective.
fine.
By the end of it, by the end of every sprint, I'll have a retrospective.
No, that's absolutely right. I'm saying this approach is good. It's encouraging, but I'm suggesting why to even start thinking on those terms. Though I know it's a good backup plan. हाँ, क्यों नहीं? I think कल धोनी का birthday था, right? So I'm not at all a cricket fan, but just think, कहाँ से कहाँ तक. So I find that your backup plan is encouraging, that you have that essential to go in the long run. But मेरा कहना ये है कि अगर पहले ही दूसरे बॉल पे छक्का मार सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं? Because we always, yes, we see, I have learned this from my family. I'm blessed to have awesome brothers, awesome family who are always so encouraging and practical. So ऐसा नहीं है. Even in my course of professional life, I had my share of self doubts, especially when you're new, you're entering into new industry, new role. Right now, in similar scenarios जो आपका चल रहा है, so that time I was told कि बेटा ऐसा नहीं है. There are people out there. It is just a plain statement. Do not take it personally. It's just that there are people out there who are very less talented, who might be very less educated or trained, but then they are really very confident. Okay, and they show up. The second thing, they show up. Only having confidence doesn't matter. You have to show up and you have to deliver. So अगर ऐसे लोग कर सकते हैं, कर रहे हैं, तो by God's grace you're already talented and you're already intelligent and you're putting in effort. So why to have the self doubt? तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, स्पेशली फॉर यू गाइज, many of you or the most of you are changing your industry, please do not ऐसा सोचिए कि यार मैंने पहले तो ये मेरी फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग तो इतनी सक्सेसफुल हो चुकी है, मैंने कर लिया है, अभी ये क्या नई बात है, वो बोलते ना किस झाड़ की पत्ती है. आई मीन, डू नॉट devalue it, but also take it in such a positive and the spirit कि भाई पहले कर लिया तो ये भी कर ही लेंगे. And as you saw, ये कोई भी ऐसा एक्सट्रीम या एकदम सुपर क्रिटिकल थिंग नहीं है. वी आर जस्ट काइंड ऑफ sharpening or harnessing your existing skills. Obviously topics and understanding concepts नए हैं जो हमने आपको बताए हैं, जो आप पढ़ भी रहे हैं, which you will also learn more and more. But basic skills, communication, presentation, being with people, working in team, that all, I think I should be saying, as an Indians, हमारे में कूट कूट के भरा होता है, because we start that with our family only. You know, you have so many people to share, care, grow up with, nurture. You always have this, what I would say, these skills inculcated and developed in you. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Though you are saying कि rejection के लिए ready है, but I am saying कि आप selection के लिए भी ready रहिए, and then don't let that be a shock. I'll tell you honestly, जिस जॉब से मुझे लगा था कि भाई मैं पक्का नहीं मुझे सिलेक्शन होने वाला है, on whatever basis, I was too young for that, I was too experienced for that, I did not have the perfect qualifications, and the names are like Accenture and Axis Bank. Axis Bank अभी मुझे 2 साल हो जाएंगे recent 18 को, but even earlier also, because I saw the people, सब बहुत experienced थे, मतलब people I deal with are on the verge of what I would say retirement. They are the super seniors. But क्या होता है ना, if they are selecting you, तो इतना तो आप जान लीजिए that you have something that they require, and that is good enough. So please, I request you on personal grounds, no self doubt, lot of confidence, and yes, a lot of efforts, that we are with you for that. So yes, sir. Anything else, Gaurav ji? आप add
Yeah,
करिए.
thank you so much. So yeah, wonderful chats and wonderful. So am I audible to you guys?
Yes, very
Thank
much.
you. So yeah, definitely. So whatever you expect, you are served with that. Okay. So then even though if you expect rejection, that will be in your plate. So never get surprised if it has come to you for multiple times. So that time you are not allowed to feel disappointed, because this is what you have ordered, and what you order, you are served with that. And that's how universe works. So is this bring some clarity?
Yes,
Does it bring some
thank you.
clarity?
Yes.
Yeah. So you are served with the what you ask, you get. So even though in what do you call, in a fun manner, when you say something, your higher self is connected with the universal service. So yes, and this is even your fun, and what do you call, jokes are not taken as a joke. They are always taken very, very seriously by the universe, and that's the reason. So be very careful what you say. So yeah, so on this note, let's move to the code of honor. Whatever you are learning and whatever walkthrough you are undergoing, remember to show up live over there. Although recordings will be there, okay, so in the recording you will get the essence, but you won't be able to ask the live question. And that's the reason, even in corporate, it is set, be on time, be punctual, and be highly committed. Why? Because how you do anything is how you do everything. One of my mentors says that. And be a full stack student. If you are learning something during that time, do all assignments and do a self research and repeat what you are learning. Okay, the third one is wonderful, which says that take the full responsibility. Sometimes success hits, okay, but before success, lot of learning are there. People sometimes call them as a failure. So if you are taking the responsibility of success, you must take the responsibility of learning what people and society sometimes calls it as a failure. Until they don't take the lessons out of it, that will keep repeating. Then having the mindset of learning, positivity, and being complaint-free mindset and gratitude mindset will lead you towards the leadership position when you start your life with the learning mindset and inculcate all this mindset in you. Because I have said multiple times, this game is all about 80% mindset, 15% skill set, and 5% tool set, where Trello comes into the picture, Jira comes into the picture. Then start your day with the receptivity so that you can learn at every single event in your life in the day. And how you can do that? Start with strangest secret of the world, which I have shared with you in with everyone. Rather, listen to it at least once in a day, but recommended by Earl himself was thrice a day. Okay, so remember this golden quadrant of learning, which talks that before learning, start with the declaration, then draw it once you think that you have learned, and then summarize it. If you don't find anyone in front of whom you can summarize, find the person in the mirror and summarize to that person. Okay, he's a great listener and he will listen to you. Okay, so and say that great meeting with you. Okay, and then your summarization will be over. Be a giver on this path of learning and getting placed. And while you are on this path, remember to give away your ego first, because the moment ego appears, you block the pathway of learning towards your neuro pathway itself. Okay, and this means keeping yourself away from the ego will help you to first get spiritually grounded. Why it is necessary on getting on the journey of getting placed and learning and all? Because it gives you power to ask more. Okay, because somewhere it is driven by the innocence power, and it has great power because it helps you to yield lot of powerful question. Otherwise you will end up finding only some limited question which is generated through logical mind but not through the creative minds. Okay, so have the intent of charity. At least start doing when you are getting placed in a wonderful corporate world. Start with 5%. I personally do every single week. Okay, and appreciate. Remember to appreciate. And if your day starts with appreciation, gratitude, or nothing like that, because you need to appreciate what you do, what others do for you, and even what does not happen to you, because you are on a bigger purpose towards your goal. And that's the another quote from one of my mentors. He says that what you appreciate appreciates you back. On this note, we are moving towards this question, that how many of you are now ready, what we call it as Trello. So have you all got the account in the Trello? Bobby, were you able to?
No, yesterday when I asked you, I was willing to give the card
Okay,
details.
you
Then
said that
it's not
you
worth it.
will,
Yeah.
you said that you will take a look at it, but no worries, no worries, no worries. So today's day we are going to
But I'm
play.
craving, but definitely and honestly, I'm craving to learn Jira, Trello, and all those things, and Excel.
Yeah, so
I'm looking forward to learn all these things.
these are not very complex tools. These are very easy drag and drop tools. Okay, so even if you sit 1 hour with it, or 30 minutes with it, you will explore what all these things are. Or otherwise, remember the formula. What was that formula? How you can learn anything faster? You need to Google
Google
it.
10-minute intelligence search. Yeah.
Simplify in 10 minutes. Okay, simplify subject in 10 minutes and you're done. Okay, so you will get the wonderful thing. And really means such videos and such tutorial gives you pointed point shooter all the time, and lift your confidence up further, that hey, it's so simple and you can learn it so faster. Okay, on this note, so Bobby, since I am talking to you, I want you to be full participative in this game, and everyone else as well. So Dipti, are you ready? And Priyanka, are you ready for this?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, Thank you so much for your answer. So we are going to build something, and I want you to say one word first, Bobby. And it is getting recorded.
One word regarding what?
So we are playing a game and we are going to build some project, and the project is
Okay,
nothing but
okay.
a story. Okay, out of small pieces of, features, improvement, and the requirement. And requirement is what? The one word which will help other to build another word, and when we combine it together, we will find some new story appearing. Okay, are you up for it now?
Yes. Yes.
Amazing. Let it go, let it flow on the fast, rapid, like rapid fire. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So in terms of business, I would like I'm visualizing the multiple virtual communication.
Virtual communication, multiple virtual communication. Okay. Dipti, you?
I would say user stories.
Okay. Priyanka, remember, we have to build a story, okay? And not the user story. Okay.
Can I
Yeah.
change mine to stakeholder?
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll go back again, and instead of word, let's start with a statement. So Bobby, yeah, please complete your statement there.
Yeah, I can see a project which is related to multiple virtual communication with people.
You have a project with multiple. You have a project with multiple virtual communication. Okay. So yeah, Dipti, please add into the continuation.
So for this thing, we have to have a meeting with the client and gather all the requirements, what they need for their project, how they want their project to be built.
Okay.
So
We
I
need
would
to
say
have a meeting with client to gather
meeting with the
requirement.
clients and then to gather the requirements. So that we can create the BRDs for our client.
Okay. Priyanka.
Yeah, Gaurav. So I think we need to identify the stakeholders involved in this project. And then we need to assess,
One statement, please. One statement.
Identify the stakeholders. Sorry.
A stakeholder. Yeah. Again, Bobby. So remember, this we are getting into the second round, and on the third round, make sure that you are heading towards the closing. Okay. So yeah, in the second round, once again, Bobby. So continue in the same. So whatever you have discussed so far, what is your next statement?
Well, after checking the meeting minutes with the client and getting to know the requirements and the stakeholders, I feel my team as a Scrum master, my team needs quite a few more equipment to get the idea conclude.
Can you repeat what, as a Scrum Master, your team?
Now, I have a little requirement on behalf of my team, because looking at the product requirement, a team will be requiring more equipment.
Okay, your team need more equipments.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Dipti, please come up.
So I would say, I think he wanted to say the team building, which has all the members inside that. And after that, we are going to start doing the sprint planning. And after sprint planning, we are going to do, we are going to release one sprint at a time. And then
One statement, please.
Sure, sorry.
So going to do sprint planning and execution. Is it what you said?
Yes, sprint planning and execution.
All right, Priyanka.
Yeah, Gaurav. So, yeah, Gaurav, one question though,
Mhm.
that we can put like any statements in here, right? Like, is it going in a sequence, like BRD, and then, how it flows,
Nothing
or?
like that. See, the thing
Okay,
is that
okay,
on the third
okay.
round, the third round in totality, this
Mm-hmm,
should build a story, and
mm-hmm.
it should end up on some funny mode or some sensible mode. It should add value to the discussion. Okay,
Got it,
it
got
should
it.
end up to
Okay.
the somewhere that we have discussed something. Okay, we are
Yeah,
building a story. Yeah,
yeah.
story is
So,
not use a story. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
got it. So, find out the current business process.
Okay. So, what is the statement? Who needs to find out? You or someone else or
Yeah, I
team?
need to find. Yeah, I need to find out the current business process.
Okay, current business process, and we are heading to the another round. And in this round, okay, remember whatever you are going to speak, that is going to add up towards the conclusion of the story, and it should be fun filled. It should be either sensible or fun filled, or it should uh, it should uh, initiate a trigger for the brain. Okay, and now it's all up to you. So back to Bobby. Yeah, what is the next statement?
Well, I've realized I'm working for a big company where there are two business analyzers. One is Priyanka, other is Deepti, and their input is precious to me and my team, and as a team in whole, to come to the conclusion. And I can easily see the equipment and the right kind of appointment of the developers and uh, testers has been done. And the other BA is more interested in getting to know how this project will work and
uh
how,
Sorry
yeah,
to interrupt, one statement please.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So the BAs are doing their job well uh, uh, in order to help the Scrum team,
Okay.
and we are ready to go.
Okay, you are ready to work. Amazing. All right. So, Dipti, your turn.
Yeah, I'm still stuck with my other thing that after the sprint planning, we'll be doing the testing and then retrospective thing. So don't write that. I'm stuck.
Okay. You don't
I'm
want.
telling you that. Yeah.
Oh,
So
I
I'll be
was
doing
writing
the
that.
testing. Sorry. So after the sprint, sorry about that. After the sprint planning and the execution, we'll be doing the testing and then retrospective. And then I forgot one word the where the thing which is not incomplete goes, and that, what is that called? I forgot the name.
It
I'm trying
goes
to
back
think.
into
What is that, Bobby? What's that name?
it goes back to the square one.
Yes, yes. But what is there's a specific name for that. Gaurav and Prerna already mentioned that, but
The
I'm
epic
not getting
story.
that name.
The epic story.
The epic story.
The dynamic. It has the dynamic nature, so it can be either recycled or it can be cancelled. Or
It can come back again for the processing, right?
yeah.
So that is called the epic.
The whole process is dynamic in nature. We are not, stuck with that idea, and we cannot move ahead of that idea. We tried it, it didn't work. It has gone back to the epic story, and because of the dynamic nature, now the product owner will and the stakeholder will realize, is it worth giving more time, or we can improvise our idea with the new user stories.
Mhm.
Sorry, I think we are not heading over there. Dipti, what did you say after
Sorry.
the sprint planning and execution, the retrospective,
And
and please complete your statement.
and the testing. The first the testing, and then it's gonna go into retrospective.
Yeah. So, what is the statement will be? What is going to?
We are heading towards the end of our sprint,
Okay.
one sprint, and the beginning of another.
We are heading to one sprint and beginning another. Okay.
Yeah.
One sprint.
We are heading to end the one sprint and the beginning of another sprint.
Okay, got that. To the end of one sprint and beginning of
And the
another.
beginning of another.
Yeah, Priyanka, your turn.
Yeah. The next step would be I need to document the proposed business process by the client.
I need to propose.
Yeah, I need to document the proposed business process by the client.
Document the business process.
Proposed business process. I mean, you know, whatever the change they want to do, the new one, which is going to replace the old one.
Okay, let me read what you guys have done so far till to this game. Okay, so you have said that. Okay, you have a project with multiple virtual communication. We need to. Okay, we have a. Okay, you said this. We have a project with multiple virtual communication. We need to have a meeting with client to gather the requirement, and we need to identify the stakeholder. After minutes of meetings, I feel as Scrum Master, my team needs more equipment. We are going to sprint to plan and execute to start with. And I need to find out the current business process. Equipment and team are in place, and BAs are doing great job, and we are ready to work now. And we are heading to the end of one sprint and the beginning of another. And further, you said, I need to document the proposed business for the client. Where we started, where we ended. Here somewhere you mentioned as a team that you have ended one sprint and getting to the execution of the another sprint, and the entire story has built and it has led to one place that you have not delivered a single piece of thing to the client, and you are heading to another one, still coming back towards the documentation.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Did it lead you to the any completion? No, nowhere.
No.
So remember to how you are going to work in a team. You should be ready to know that what other person is doing. You have to draw a sense from it. If you are not clear, then go to the joke with which we started, ask question and get more clarity. Okay, so the lesson number one, know your peer, what he or she is doing. Okay, what he or she has said, try to connect with that. And in Scrum meeting and Scrum team, what happens exactly, we are knowing who is doing what. Okay, and it's a self-organized team, cross-functional team, and that's why you need to lead your activity by your own. And that's when you decide what you're going to choose. And in this game, what you are going to choose, what other what other person has said, you have to draw from there, connect from there, and build your own story. You are not going to leave the peer then and there. It will happen like you're working in silo. Okay, you are just thinking about yourself. Are you guys drawing some lesson whatever I am saying? Yeah.
Yeah, Gaurav, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Yes.
So when you work in this Scrum or in a Scrum team or in a development team which consists of a cross or functional team, there you need to understand what other person has said and how you are going to connect with that, and from there you are going to start. Otherwise, we are saying that Bobby is talking about what the problem he has. Dipti is talking about planning and execution, and Priyanka is talking about, documentation. So here we were just playing the game, and the game said that we have to build a story together. Okay, forget about your roles and everything. So we are not into that. We are into the game. So play game as is without any assumption. And here, what you assumed yourself, that Bobby assumed himself that he's a scrum master, Priyanka assumed herself as a business analyst, and Dipti assumed herself as she's a part of development team by their own, without understanding the rule of the game. Am I clear?
Yes, you are.
So didn't you guys assume yourself in this position?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We assumed yes.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
didn't say about it, right?
Yeah.
And we tend to forget, and we tend to bring our survival mind always in front, knowing that, oh, this is the pre-assumed. No, this was just a game and we needed to play. So
No, but at the same time, I have something to say.
yeah.
If the team is thrown in the deep end all of a sudden and given a situation, so as an expert team, we try to take over the responsibilities. One has decided, okay, let me take the responsibility of the Scrum Master, and Priyanka said, okay, I'll start doing documentation, and Deepthi is more interested in user story and making ticket and going towards the sprint, and that's how we gel each other. And
Go ahead.
and as a team, we try to succeed.
Yeah, that's okay. If you have decided like this by your own, that's fine. But remember, understand what is the rules and regulation. Okay. If you are not understanding rules and regulation and not asking question on it, what is going to happen? You will assume the things. Even if you have assumed your own responsibility, what is going to happen as a team? You are not delivering me the story. Did you deliver me? Nothing was connected. Did you find any connection anywhere?
The reason was because the stakeholder and the project owner is not participating, and we are not getting any clue how to go about it. But we have a vague idea how to go about it. So as a true team, true to each other, we tried to take on the responsibility and do the needful, but we could not succeed because the actual vision goal was not right in front of us. So we need to build a better team.
No, you cannot leave your team like this. You cannot blame in the corporate world because of it, because of that. Take your own ownership, take your own responsibility. So this is
my question is, no, I'm not getting into argument mode. I'm just, because we are talking very lightly. So yes, now if I go back to my first statement, I see a project with the multiple virtual communication. So I started looking at if I'm the product owner or one of the stakeholders, and then it started to build. But then later I realized we need to take. I was trying to place myself. Maybe we were less people to participate.
Yeah. So see, the thing is what what I am presenting in front of you, which you could not visualize right now. This is exactly how it happens in the corporate world of IT. Okay, are you getting me? So it's not if you are sensing that whatever you have said, I'm trying to judge or trying to give some argument onto that. No, that's not the meaning behind it. I am drawing the exact picture that happens in the corporate world. You guys are asked to develop some feature. Okay, so you are given some work to do. What happens? You don't notice what other person has said in the daily scrum. Okay, and you continue with your work. You carry one focus. मुझे मेरा काम complete करना. I have to complete my own work. बाकी let whatever other do. And when you are not syncing in with other person, when you are not integrated with other person, how it ends with mess up. It ends with the not a successful delivery of the feature or product. And then client comes back and he said, hey, what you have given to me, this is breaking here, this is breaking there. And then you say, hey, I have done my work really beautifully. Okay, I took my own responsibility. I completed my job well in time, well in advance. Then I cannot take this as SHI and T. Okay, so you say that, and then you find out someone else in the team who might have messed it up, and you try to extract mess from the message of the client. Okay, so it's not about figuring out who has gone wrong, but figuring out what we did not integrate together as a team. Yeah, someone was trying to say something.
Yeah, Gaurav, I think so. Yeah, I was just trying to say that, I really, first of all, I appreciate Bobby trying to keep us together. That's the first thing. The second thing is, what I personally felt was that, where I lacked was maybe, as you said, assumptions and asking questions. So I was under the impression that we have to kind of, follow our previous statement and then go to the next statement. So I was just following that pattern, so I didn't, I just assumed that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, I was not thinking that, that a project has been, suggested by Bobby, and we are all supposed to kind of work
Yes.
like a flow in that. So I think
Yeah.
that was the
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Where,
Now you will have to develop a higher angle, eagle eye as a project. It should not be that we have 30 features, say for example 30 features. So I hope you are connecting with me, because this is the real time scenario that happens in the corporate world, guys, especially in the IT. Okay, people work in silos. They pick up their own feature, they try to complete it without integration. I have seen wonderful one visual, and it said that in a hotel room there were two wonderful bed, uh, were kept with the gap of 2 feet parallel to each other, and it was completely covered with the white sheet. Okay, and it was not transparent, and the guest appears inside, uh, and sees that wonderful two beds are there. In between, it is covered with the cozy cushion or something, cozy bed. So what she does, she jumps just between in between of both the beds, and it was not integrated well. She fell down. Okay, could you visualize this? What exactly might have happened? The UI was designed, the user interface was designed, but it was not integrated. And what kind of result it gave? The entire system failure. Okay, so this is one of the example we can take it up. So yeah, so we assumed whatever I said, from there I need to start. But what is the game? Whatever the other person, we need to continue that. We are getting into the another round of this game again, and here what we are going to do: one person says something, we have to continue other person's statement and make make your own another statement. Third person will go again and make his or her statement in the continuation of the previous one what others have said. So is it clear now? And it can be anything, I'll demonstrate one example. Say for example, the moment I say I'm playing with myself. Okay, so the moment I say mango, the other person say was not ripen. Then the third person said, then what should I do? The fourth one said, let's sell. Fifth says, in the market. Sixth says, market is closed. So it's like that. So we are building some story, right? We are taking care of the other person and keeping our concept, keeping our communication ahead. Okay, so it's all about team. So we are learning team building. So coming back, are you ready to resume to the next round? Yeah. Yes. Is it finding some intriguing? Is it finding some interesting for yourself? Are you able to introspect as well and getting some lesson out of the first round? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Means it's going really good and well direction. Okay, so who wants to go first?
So again, I'll start first.
Okay, yeah,
And,
go ahead.
as a Scrum Master, now I've spoken to the product owner, and in fact, we had a meeting with the product owner and the stakeholders, all Deepthi, me, and Priyanka, and now we have realized the actual thing to be done. So we have tried to make the epic story, and out of epic story, with the consultation of, in fact, with the requirement of stakeholders and the product, we are setting up the priorities of the user story, and we have decided to take first four user stories in the sprint one,
Okay.
and we are expecting to complete this project in
Okay.
35 days.
So can you give me one sentence for whatever you have said?
So we
One
have
sentence. Yeah.
made the flow diagram of the project.
You have to create a flow diagram.
Yeah, we have already created the flow diagram with the
Okay.
consultation of Priyanka, Deepthi, and stakeholders.
Okay. So you said that we have created a data flow diagram. Is it data flow diagram? Did
Yeah,
you mention
yeah.
flow diagram with consultation of BA? Yeah,
Yeah.
Dipti.
I'm a little confused here. So Bobby, after that the BRD comes, or the BRD comes before that? Sorry, I'm
Well,
confused.
yes, you can say we have created the BRD in a better way. Yes, thanks for improvising my thought. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, no problem. So you meant to say that you created the BRDs, right?
Yeah.
The business
Yeah.
requirement document. Okay, and after that it's gonna go in the execution process, Gaurav, and then the sprint planning is gonna start.
Okay. Then your statement is, and now sprint planning is starting.
Mhm.
That's what you shared?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, Bobby, right? I
Yep,
want to
yep,
double check
yeah.
with my team, Gaurav.
Yeah,
So Bobby,
yeah.
am
Yes,
I right?
definitely. So we are at the stage of planning for the first sprint, and now we are heading to.
Sorry. So if you are talking with each other, you can talk with each other in a quick statements, okay? And then
Okay.
so that we can move to another.
So Priyanka, are we good?
Yes.
Yeah, Dipti. So I think we can add like, the other ceremony also here, which
Mhm.
is the retrospective, which can be done in the next sprint planning also. Retrospective, yes.
But Priyanka, before the retrospective, don't we think that we have to deliver the sprint to the client?
Yeah,
First,
We
the
need
testing
still
has to
need
be
to.
done.
I'm just assuming the previous sprint that might have been done, we could, take inputs from there for the sprint we are working on right now, so that we could, take care of the bugs or the gaps which were there in the previous sprints, maybe.
So you mean to say that after sprint planning started, and then we delivered that, and then the retrospective.
Less time for
can
the
be done.
discussion. Give me give me one
Yeah.
statement, Priyanka.
No,
Okay.
Gaurav, you said that you have to be talking with your team members, right?
No.
So
I
please
didn't
give us some
say.
time.
Okay, listen to the recording again. Okay. I didn't say that you need to talk to your team. You need to take care of your team. Okay.
Okay,
It is
that
not.
was our, then consider that was our that 10 minutes meeting in the morning. So we are going to do that 10 seconds meeting.
Okay. I give 10 seconds to you. Now,
Okay.
again, it has to go for 3 rounds. Next, I don't want any discussion, but the point shooter statements from you, which will build the story. Go ahead. 10 seconds are given to you.
All right. So, Bobby, next will be you, I guess. So after that, what's going to happen?
So when the retrospective has happened, and we realized we were lacking in terms of we were lagging behind the time. We need to be careful. Time is precious. Time is money, and let's be more determined and whatever we found the bugs, we are putting it back to the Epic Story, and we need to sort those bugs out. But along with those bugs, we also need to take down the new user stories to move our project ahead.
All right, 15 seconds are done. So give me now, Priyanka, the point shooter statement from your end.
Yeah, implementation. We can start with the implementation.
Okay, we
After-
can
yeah.
start with implementation. That's what you said. Okay, Bobby, one statement point shooter without any explanation.
Bug solving.
Sorry?
Bug solving from the previous sprint.
So give me the statement, not the, I mean, it should be a complete statement.
Yes,
Complete
the
sentence.
we are getting prepared for the next sprint, but we
Okay,
still need
we
to.
are,
Yeah.
no, I won't take the another one. We are,
Okay. Getting prepared for the next sprint.
okay, we are getting prepared for the next sprint.
Yeah.
You can see the notepad, what I'm typing. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Dipti, coming back to you.
So
Your statement.
we are okay. Definition of done, ready to deliver.
We are ready with DOD and ready to deliver. Okay.
Right,
Fine.
guys? Am I correct?
Okay. No. So
No. We are
no
ready with
discussion.
DOD sorry, no discussion. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, Priyanka.
Yeah, Gaurav, I think yeah, before that, if I may, I could add that, like, do we need to give like a demo to the client of what we have done in the implementation?
See, no.
That's
You
comes
have,
in
Dipti,
DOD.
hang on, please. See, you have to go into the sequence. Don't limit your mind that we need to follow this sequence only. Give me your statement, which will be followed by the statement which I have written over here. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
actually,
limit
Gaurav,
yourself.
I'm getting confused that either we have to follow the statement which is there, or do we have to follow the, like, the flow of the project which we are doing right
No,
now?
I didn't say about the project. I just said
Even I
that
was confused about that.
we have to build the story. See, the thing is what this is what means. No, you need to clear on every single step without any doubt or assumption. We have to take the another step. Okay, I didn't say project. I said that we have to build a story. I gave you the example. The moment I say mango, another person said it is ripen. The another person say let's sell. Another person say in the market. Another person says that market is closed, and that's how the story is built, right? And it's like our end result is just to build a story. Okay, the one final statement from your end, please. Don't think about what was a building. Just think about what has been built till yesterday, what Dipti has made. Following that, what you are going to add.
Definition of done RTD, I think that would be
Tell me your statement, please. Yeah.
maybe FRD.
Tell me your statement, please.
I think then we will do client demo. I think I'll go with that.
I lost your voice. So just could you repeat?
Demo to the client.
Demo to the client. Okay. Okay, quickly give me short statements now. Okay, short statement. Bobby, go ahead.
Stakeholder and product owner is happy.
Short
More or less,
statement.
CEO and stake owner are happy with the demo.
Happy. Okay. Dipti, short statement, please. Dipti, can you hear us? Yeah.
Yes, we decided to give them 1 year of free service if they have any problem with the site. And the client is ready to give us another project.
Okay.
Because they really like our
Bus,
product.
that's it.
That's my one long sentence.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Priyanka.
Yeah. Now we are ready to go back to the product backlog for the new sprint.
Okay. All right. So here you go. What you have written so far? We have created BRD with consultation of BA, and now sprint planning is starting. We can start with implementation. We are getting prepared for the next sprint. We are ready for definition of done and ready to deliver. Demo to client is done. Stakeholders are happy. We decided to give 1 year of service for free of cost in case of any bug, and client is ready to give another project. And the final closing remark was, we are ready to go to the product backlog for the new sprint, I guess. Yeah, right. Did you find that with the quick care, this was the better than before? Did you find that?
Yes.
It made
definitely.
some sort of sense. Okay.
Mhm.
What we did, we ripped some of the assumption and we still continued. Now I need one volunteer quickly for a few seconds, and we are going to in the rapid fire mode to do the same exercise. So who is up for this?
I can do that. Or
Okay,
even Bobby
so
can do that.
yeah, I see it was Bobby. So Bobby,
Gaurav,
yeah, Bobby.
yeah,
Yes,
Gaurav,
yes.
could you please repeat? I think, I just, I
Okay, so
submitted it
Or it
I'm
could be Priyanka. Anything.
so Priyanka, you want me to repeat, right? What I said?
That's what I want. Yeah.
Yeah, so I said I need a volunteer to do a demonstration of the same exercise what we just now did. So Bobby volunteered himself. So yeah, Bobby, one statement, shorter one, and play with me.
Yes. Well, we succeeded in completing our old previous project. Client is happy, but there are a lot many things as a team we need to improve to make it real happen within time frame with no buffering. And yes, approach is good. Coordination
One
is
statement,
good.
short statement, please. Revise it again.
Good team with the scope of improvement.
Okay, so you are going to do some changes with this. Can you give me one statement which should be, means it should not be multiple statement, please. One short statement. Bobby, do you want me to start?
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So my first statement, I have won a wonderful project. Bobby, over to you.
What's that?
Don't ask me question, give me the statement.
It will be completed, Gaurav.
Wow, amazing. And we will sell the another project after that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Complete your statement. Okay, it's not heading.
Yeah, there are quite a few project lines.
So you understood what kind of statement we have to speak, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now back to you. Give your statement, please.
Yes, guys, team, we have received one more new project. Get ready to deliver better than before. Let's start.
Yeah, let's start. I think we need to have a walkthrough before that.
Start working on the project.
Okay, so working on project, and when is the celebration?
Celebration will happen after the end of 35th day. That's our time limit. Yeah.
How many sprints we have?
We'll have 4 sprints, but we have kept the buffer of 5th sprint as well, in case if we need to sort the bugs.
We have completed 2 sprints already.
Yes, I think we'll be able to finish in 2 more sprints.
Okay.
It's a bigger project.
We have done walkthrough also.
Yeah.
Okay, we have done a review also.
and the stakeholder is happy with the review, and we have got a wonderful feedback, and we
Okay,
are
one
looking
statement,
forward
please.
to it.
Small,
Yeah.
small statement. Yeah. So finally, are we going to win the another project? We have won the another project, Bobby.
Yes, we have already won another project.
Thank you.
Stakeholder is
Thank you
happy.
so much for your time, Bobby. Thank you so much for your time. Let's give a round of applause for Bobby. The way he is trying to understand the workshop and the project, and he's doing really amazing. Okay. So cool. Let's move to another one. Another one is like I need another volunteer once again, and this has to go for not more than 30 seconds. So who is going to go next? Dipti or Priyanka?
I think Dipti raised her hand, Gaurav. I
Okay,
think
she
so.
was clapping, I guess. Okay, Dipti, go
Oh,
ahead.
okay. I'm so sorry. I think I threw her under the bus right now.
Priyanka, you can go.
Okay, Dipti, go ahead.
No, you should go.
Okay, fine. I'm ready, Gaurav. Yeah.
Okay, so one statement from your end. Anything not related to project, yeah. Don't assume that project and deliver and these words should come retrospective and all. Any one statement comes in your mind.
We worked very well and we coordinated well as a team.
Yeah, and that come with your strong positivity.
Yes.
Next statement, please.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm sorry. It's like, thank you for the appreciation, and the same positivity will be exhibited in the coming sprints too.
That's awesome. So should we ready with another project? Do we have another project?
Yes, we are ready, and I think we need to sit down with the stakeholders and clients and just get the documentation ready for that.
All right, all right. So have we found any common a common pattern in all the projects we have done, Priyanka? Common pattern in the completion of all the previous projects?
Yes, I think first of all, it's all belong to the same domain, and
Wow.
the next is that the sprint at the end of the sprint, I think it at the first and the second sprint, it seemed to be a little slow. So we need to deal with that and make sure that we are doing giving points correctly to the stories or use cases so that
Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. So we understand. So now are we ready to launch ourselves as a bank itself? As you said, that's all from same domain, and I found that everything was from banking domain. Do you think we should launch ourselves as a bank itself in coming days?
I think I would not do that for as a I think our team is very good at providing service rather
Okay.
than running the service. So I think
Amazing. Great. I think you guys have understood now. See, no talk. You have only 1 minute. No talk will be related to project. No talk will be related to domain. No talk will be related to business analyst, scrum master, or product owner or project manager. Forget all these things. We have only one last minute. And in this minute, other than project, nothing related to, training, you're going to speak whatever you have learned. You are going to speak a simple statement. Okay, simple statement. It could be anything like plane is flying in the sky, mango is ripping, this is mango season, something like that. And top of that, other person is going to say that statement, okay, which should be in the continuation. Is it clear now? Yeah.
Yes.
Are you ready for the last round? Okay, who is going to
Yes.
start first?
I can. Yeah.
Okay, Priyanka, go ahead. Shoot your short statement.
Let's build a tree house.
Sorry, could not hear to you. Could you repeat?
I said, let's build a tree house.
Let's build a tree house. Wow. Bobby, you second.
So
In the
we need to
continuation of
collect
the
some,
first.
yeah, we need to collect some food to survive there.
We need to.
Collect some food to survive there.
Wow.
Along with the food, we have to start collecting all the materials what we need to build our tree house, and we have to think about how we are going to get all those materials, who will be building that tree house, who all are gonna involve in building that. Sorry, so many sentences. Priyanka, you should go ahead.
No, you have to complete one statement.
Oh,
still.
okay. So collect all the necessary things to build the tree house.
We need to
That's
careful that we need to cover all 3 seasons.
Wait. Let's go in sequence. Collect all necessary things, okay, to build the tree house. Yeah.
Yes.
Priyanka, next.
Start building the tree house.
Start building tree house. Yeah, Bobby. Bobby, you there?
Yeah, and start preparing the ground for cultivating the food around it.
Okay. I would say again, sorry. Priyanka, we assume, Bobby, we assume that the tree house location is ready, but the first thing was that where we are going to build the tree house. That should be our first thing. Sorry.
Dipti, you just have to follow the previous statement. Okay.
Sorry
You
about that.
don't need to tell them that what was the assumption right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the tree house should be comfortable for all 3 of us to sit there if you're going to use that. And then we should have a ladder to climb up. So
what is one statement? Tree house to be completed. What did you say?
Tree house has to be little comfortable for at least 3 people to live.
Okay. Comfortable.
Okay, Priyanka, your turn, I believe.
Yeah, Priyanka.
Yeah. Going through the safety parameters.
Going through safety
Parameters like the safety of the tree house, how safe it is, and
your
how
voice is losing in between. I really don't know why. So going through safety parameter, you said, and then did
that's
you say
it. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is going to be the last rapid fire communication now. So one statement, short statement, Bobby, and then Dipti, and then Priyanka. Yeah, Bobby, over to you.
Yes, we have completed 3 sprints, and the last sprint is to check whether the windows and doors.
Sprint. We are talking about tree house, right? And please continuation
so
of the.
Yeah, so planning is looking good. Finally, we need to check if the doors and windows are good for all 3 seasons: winter, rainy, and summer.
Okay, so what is one statement, please?
Protection from the weather.
Protection from the weather.
Yeah.
That is your sentence.
Yes.
It looks like a caption or title of some something.
No, it's a continued. So I wanted to continue the conversation that yes, everything is sounding good. But
Okay, everything is sounding
very careful.
Yeah. Everything is.
So now
let me write it. Let me write it. What he has said. Everything sounds good, but we need to be careful. Yeah. Over to you, Dipti, please.
Right now, time for celebration because the house is complete, and let's start thinking about the celebration and who are we gonna invite.
Okay.
For the celebration.
Okay.
So time for celebration. Because the house is complete.
Okay, time for celebration is there. So yeah, Priyanka, over to you.
So house is complete, and now everybody can use it, and we can train them to how to use it properly.
Wow, amazing. So wait a second, we can train them. See, what we did today was more or less on the training on the communication and the team building as well. This was small team building exercise, kind of a workshop I am going to present in front of you. If you can see the notepad, just shout out yes. Can you see?
Yes, Vicky.
Okay.
Yes.
What we have built, just give me a second. Yeah, what we have built, whatever we have said, let's build a tree house, and we need to collect some food to survive there, collect all necessary things to build the tree house, start building tree house, start preparing the ground to cultivate some fruits, and then tree house has to be little comfortable to live, going through safety parameter. Everything sounds good, but we need to be careful. Time for celebration is there, house is complete, and we can train them on how to use. That's it. So yeah, it sounded somewhere in the uh, sequence. So yeah, good so far. So I want to go ahead like this. Bobby, tell me one learning out of this entire statement, entire exercise we did. One learning which you have drawn for yourself.
Better communication, better narration.
Okay, better communication, better narration is one communication. Can we give a round of applause? It's really great kind of learning, and we need to carry even in the corporate world. Thank you so much for sharing. Bobby. Dipti, over to you. Your learning, one major learning.
Okay, I would say that write everything down properly and then discuss that with your team and shuffle things according to the need.
Wow, amazing, wonderful learning. Let's give a round of applause for Dipti as well. Thank you so much, Dipti. This is really amazing. So Priyanka, one learning from your end.
Yeah, I think asking questions and not assuming, and always asking questions if you're not
Yes.
clear about something.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for Priyanka as well. Thank you, thank you. Amazing. This asking question before even the project starts, during the execution, what happens? We undergo with the assumption, and before we execute, let's remember to ask question even multiple times to the stakeholders, to all involved. So we have come to the end, but this is just not the end. Soon, Prerna ji will move you to the, not move you, will add you in the one temporary group, which is dedicated towards your interview preparation. Okay. So now be ready, pull your socks and ready to get into the interviewing rounds as well. But before that, we need to hear that you have completed certain or 2, 3, 4 or ongoing RRP session. It is not going to get over. Your interview mock preparation
Yes,
would get over.
I would just like to add, now further steps are quite clear and easy. We have a set process for the same. You will have to start attending RRRP session, that is reference ready resume preparations, wherein everybody from our organization joins in and they are guided. And why we encourage you to join those sessions is because you know yourself a lot better than any other HR on ourselves. So we want you to prepare your CV and definitely share with us for the review. So that's the start. Once, and when, by the way, let me give you a very secretive advice, or actual the open secret is, if your CV is well done, if your CV is properly made, the half work is done. If it is impressive with proper details, it matches with the requirements, you are already there, you're very close to landing the job. So that's one. That's why this resume preparation is so important. Along with that, we will be keep sharing you some important links, or some maybe, if you need any clarity on concept, that. And later you can also have mock-up interviews, but that will take time, because right now we have just completed the teaching part, yet the absorbing, understanding, digesting part from your end has to be done properly. That will go hand in hand with resume preparation. So once you're there, we will have mock-up interview sessions, with you, and even HR will have with you for the more practical or more industry-like feeling. and then you are up and ready to get placed in the industry of your choice, or which caters really good great opportunities. So any doubts in the process? For the same reason, I'll be adding you in temporary group where we can have this focused conversations and one-to-one interactions. That will be really great for all of us. So yes, guys, any doubts on
Thank you.
this? Most
Prerna, I just wanted to check with you.
Mhm.
So when like I think one time I attended the resume preparation thing, and that
Okay.
time Dave said that we can start looking for our job on our own also, and then
Yes,
when we
as well.
find it,
Yes, yes, yes.
and when we find a job, and then we can tell your team, and then they will get into I mean they are gonna get connected with the um, that company HR or something like that. So how that thing is gonna work?
To be very honest, I am not the right person because that generally happens with HR and Dave. So
Mhm.
I'll request you to connect with him, or I'll ask him to check with him if you can have a session on that, just a quick call or something. So if others
Mhm.
also have this doubt, they're also most welcome. Or if you join the RRP sessions, he's there, so you can check with him there only. So even
Yeah.
others can also benefit,
So these
right?
question definitely you can
Yes.
ask in RRP question then and there, so that
Because
it
they
gives
would
more
definitely cater
clarity.
to you. They are there for that only, to clarify your doubts. And
Okay, got
second
it.
thing is, along with Guru Schools, even you finding the job on your own will also be very helpful, because if there are any companies, or any of your friends working in any of the organizations, they have any particular opening, that will be again quick and easy. So it's like we're just increasing the chances of your employment. As simple as that.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So great, guys. So remember to keep joining your RRP session. Any question and any escalation related to anything, or more or less your question related to getting placed, you need to ask in RRP session. Our job is to just give you as much as possible training towards completing the curriculum. That's number one. What is the next action item you need to do on that? And third, if required, we will also give you push to how to crack any interview. Okay, so such kind of questions are welcome, okay, related to our BA Agile Scrum. So always welcome, and now be ready to get pushed or get added into the temporary group, which Prernaji will do. And remember, on this journey, you will get urged to learn multiple things. How you are going to learn, that how you can learn anything and how you can master it. That's second. Keep coming with the questions if you have any. We will set up the interview mock-up sessions soon, and we will let you know. But before that, we will require your resume inside that WhatsApp group, which will be where you will be invited. So I'm done speaking. So anything else, guys? Or
Yeah, Gaurav, I have one question.
yeah,
So first, the first question is that we can definitely be a part of this group just in case if we have any questions, like
yeah,
going
yeah,
forward. So
yeah,
we have
definitely.
like your connection and Prerna's connection to individually, like separately, so we can be in touch, right? Like
Yeah,
if
yeah,
we need
sure,
to ask
sure.
them.
Be
Rather,
happy
we
to be in
want you
touch.
to be in touch, rather we will be more than willing for you to come and connect with us for any of the doubts or any of the questions or clarifications. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for that. And the
Pre-
next question is, Gaurav, that regarding the mock interviews you were talking about, is it
Yes.
like what is the process for that? Like we just sit in front of you guys and you ask questions to us?
That sounds pretty simple, right? Yeah, but it will be, see, it depends. It depends on the level. First, definitely we can start with one-to-one interview, or we can have, see, for your ease, as you guys know, both of us, we can start with interviews. Once you feel that you're ready, I should have one round of interview for my confidence boosting. Me and Gauravji can have an independent or a joint interview, or later the HRs can also pull in and take your interviews. So basically, it's a confidence building and practice session for you. So when you give the interviews
Yeah.
with other organizations, you shouldn't have a cold feet, or you should not have any other doubt, right? So that will work out, and then definitely we will start with us, because your comfort level, and we just want, before going to HR outside, we want you to we want to know how you well you're doing, or what improvements you want. So we will start with ourselves first, like our team, both of us, and if you want, others can also join the interview just for as a viewer on mute. That's entirely up to you guys how you want to go ahead with it. But we are flexible. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this setting would be scheduled by the candidate, like by us, or it would.
No. We will. Once you say that we are okay, this time works for us, we should. No, I'm confident that I should give a mock interview. We will send. See, it will be just like a Zoom. This call. It
Yeah,
might be
but
multiple video call.
Prerna ji, it is the candidate who says I'm ready, and then we will.
Absolutely, that's what
Yeah.
I said. Absolutely, it is
Yeah.
not an exam. It is definitely not an exam where we say you have to come and give. It's more of a proactive thing that you feel I have prepared enough. I should give it a try. How I'm doing, how fair I'm doing, and then we'll go ahead with that. Okay?
And even though if you don't come up, we will come up with a date. So start
Yes,
preparing.
yes.
Yeah.
We will be after you. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
So start preparing. Yeah. Otherwise, it will happen that candidate may not show up ever because training is over. So this is not happening. We will be telling you that what is the date also, that where you can come up. But before that, please start preparing for the mock-up interview. Any question on this? Can we move further towards the end? Okay, thank you. So yeah, Priyanka, one word which came in your mind after attending this session.
I felt like a BA today, discussing a group discussion and how it is to be a part of the project. So yeah, that's what it was. Bobby?
It was good to get into the right kind of frame of mind, that whatever the education we have achieved, how to put together and now think like a professional, a confident professional.
Wow. Yeah. Call out someone's name. I missed what you said, Bobby. Could you repeat?
Who is remaining? Priyanka?
Priyanka just now spoke. And
Okay, sorry, Deepti.
Sorry, you're always confused. Sorry about
No.
that. Okay, so I would like to say thank you again to Prerna and Gaurav for teaching us wonderful things. And as Priyanka mentioned, I truly felt that I'm a BA today. And I could see my team here. So I really felt that.
This is what it would be. I think you're done. Please continue if you wanted to share something.
No, go ahead, Prerna.
That is what I'm saying. See, if we practice more and more, you only tell me what is it can be. You're working with people, you're working with like-minded and similar profile people. So it'll be more or less there. And the only thing I want to highlight today is, Gaurav, I'm taking this opportunity. Please do not assume any time in life, not only in professional, in personal. Like today we saw how the first session went. It was little haywire. Everybody assumed something and they started commenting. Please talk to each other. Please get the clarity, so that very much applies to every organization. So whenever we get a task, my personal habit is, if it is a little complex or critical, I always go back to the sender and check with them that is my understanding clear of their is what they're expecting. Because if there is a gap, my entire hard work will go down the drain. So yes, for everybody, it was a great learning, and I didn't interrupt because everybody, you all were in a flow, and Gauravji were narrating and navigating it so well. So I thoroughly enjoyed this session, and I think it is a lot useful to every one of you. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. So can I assume?
Yeah.
Can I assume that it's my turn? Yeah.
No, we said that. It's a Gaurav's turn now.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah, so fantastic. So yes, so thank you. I too enjoyed, and I felt that I really added value to you guys, and will be really happy to see you as a business analyst, and that will be amazing day for me. Okay. On this
Mhm.
note, I just want to share one more thing. You know what happens in India when we send email? We assume we assume that other person might have checked it, but you know, some professional, what they do, they call that person and they say that, hey, I have sent you email, go and check it and please reply. Okay. So otherwise, what how it would have ended up, we would have just assumed, okay, we are done. Thank you guys. So we have come to the end. I am done. So Priyanka was saying something on mute. Yeah.
I said thank you, everybody. I think it was so much fun with you and Prerna ji and all my, classmates, Bobby, Dipti, Priya, Rahul, and I will miss the sessions, but definitely we can stay in touch and update each other what's going on. And we can have these little sessions weekly, maybe, so that we are on track and we can check on each other.
Yeah, definitely. Why not? And on this note, I want each one of you to give each other high five, virtual high five, since you are on the camera, stating that I have a BA mind, I have a business analyst mind. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I have a
I have a BA mind. I have a business
I have a
analyst
business
mind.
analyst mind.
great one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. So cool. Ready to end? Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
And good
little
night.
sad, but
Thank you
yes.
very much,
It
brother.
was
Thank you.
fun. It was
Yeah.
fun.
Thank you.
It
Thank
was
you.
fun learning from you guys. You made it fun.
Yeah,
Thank
both
you.
of us.
Right, Priyanka? Right, Bobby?
Yes,
Right,
yes,
Yes,
everybody.
truly, yes.
We will
Alright.
meet soon. We will meet soon on that group. So please be active and keep this ring. And thank you so much and have a very good night. Bye bye.
All right. Good
Good
night.
night.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. Bye.